are going to start new chapter, data handling. We'll start the chapter with introduction. So students, what is called data? So, a collection of information in the form of numerical figures is called data. So students, as we know that data is a collection of observations, visual representation of data will help us to understand and remember the facts easily. Okay, here we can see examples of data. The marks obtained by 10 students of class in the test are given 76, 83, 95, 100, 56, 32, 80, 67, 75 and 46. Same way, second example is given that data regarding the favorite game of 100 students of the school. So here games are given: cricket, football, tennis and badminton, and the number of students that are given 40 students that like cricket, 30 students that's like football, 25 students they like tennis and 5 students they like badminton. Okay, now students, you know when some information is collected and presented randomly, you can see in the first example, okay, that is called raw data, and a data classified into the groups you can see in the second example, that is called grouped data. Now let's see how can data be represented. So data in a raw form can be represented in the form of pictures and diagrams. It makes the given data attractive to the observer. Okay, any observer means the person who is reading that data, for them it will look very attractive, and it is also easy to understand and to compare it with another information. Now students, some commonly used diagrams to represent numerical data are pictographs and bar graph. Now let us learn pictographs in detail. So students, pictographs represent data through appropriate pictures. In pictograph, same type of symbol or picture is used to represent the data. Here in the picture, downside what is there? Pictograph is given. In that you can see which symbol is used. Yes, smiley symbol is used. So each symbol is used to represent certain value, and this is mentioned clearly in the graph. Okay, one smiley is equals to 25 students. So you can see the following pictograph represents the number of students coming to a college by different means of transport. Now let's see how many students come to college by bus. So how many smileys are there? Yes, there are 9 smileys. So each symbol represent 25 students. So 9 multiplied by 25. So what we get? Answer 225 students are coming to a college by bus. Same way, second one is bicycle. So here 7 symbols of smileys are given, and each symbol represent 25 students. So 25 multiplied by 7 is equals to 175 students coming to a college by bicycle. Now scooter. Okay, how many smileys are there? Yes, 2 smiley symbols are given. So, one smiley is equals to 25. So, 2 smileys are there. So, 25 multiplied 2 equals to 50. So, 50 students are coming to a college by scooter. And how many students come by walking? Okay, here written on foot. So there are 4 smileys. So 25 multiplied by 4 is equals to 100. Okay, now let's learn bar graph. Okay, you can see here example of bar graph. So a representation of data with the help of bars or rectangles in a diagram is called bar graph or a bar diagram. So, each bar represents only one value of the data and hence there are as many bars as the number of values in the data. The length or height of a bar indicates the value of item, and the width of a bar and the gap between the bars is kept uniform to make the diagram look neat. Here you can see that length or height of the bar, it indicates number of cans, and here you can see how many days cold drinks are sold in a week. So Monday how many? 27. On Tuesday how many? 6. Wednesday 9. Thursday 15. And Friday 3. Okay. So we can read this data easily with bar graph. Now we'll see rules for bar graph. Okay, first we'll draw x-axis, then we'll draw y-axis. And students, in the right side we will write the scale for how many centimeter, for 1 centimeter, how many students or how many numbers is being used. And we'll write point O where the center of x and y axis there. Now students will see what is tally charts. So tally charts are used to collect data quickly and efficiently. Filling in a chart with marks representing numbers is faster than writing out words or figures, and the data is collected into subgroups immediately, making it easy to analyze. And students, tally marks are quick way of keeping track of numbers in group of 5. So here you can see we have used straight line to represent number of people or number of marks. You can use it for number of students also. So here we have used one vertical line is made for each of first 4 numbers, and fifth number is represented by diagonal line across the previous 4 line. Okay, and students, here in the box you can see tally chart. Okay, and this is finished tally chart, so you can easily understand the data from this tally chart, and here it is given finished tally chart. So you can see how finished tally chart look like. Thank you.